There are lots of underrated features in iOS 17 and assistive access is one of them. So today I am going to be showing you my experience and how to use it. So first of all, let's start assistive access. So we have a unique password for assistive access. Like you have to set a unique password which is not your iPhone passcode just to be secure. So assistive access can be used for lots of things. One, for privacy. If you are giving phone to someone, you can select the apps which you want them to use. And like there are lots of others also, like productivity. When you're studying, you don't want to get distracted, and this is actually my studying uh, setup for the assistive access. So when I'm studying, I just open this up and keep this, because when I want files or something, I just go over here to WhatsApp. But there is a new bug which was, it's still here in iOS 17.3. Like as you can see, it's WhatsApp. I already allowed it to use Face ID, but when I'm clicking, it just not comes because the pop-up does not come. So I have Find My over here. These and all work very well. Only the WhatsApp do not work. As you can see, messages also a bit complicated. When we click on more, we can only get the iMessages, and calls, when we click, as you can see, it's literally blank. So there are lots of bugs in this, but it's very useful. And if you have a Notion and everything, to do list and all, you can add that up, and it's very useful. So let's quit and I will show you how to set it up. So first of all, tap 3 times your power button, and as you can see, exit assistive access, and you have to just enter that unique password as I mentioned. There we go. Exiting assistive access. So we can wait until that. So this thing is very useful for your daily life, and lots of videos are there on to turning your phone into dumb phone, like in which you will not get distracted. So this is also a method of it. So as you can see, when we go to accessibility, scroll the way down, guided access, assistive access. Yeah, guided access also is one of these things in which you have to click the home button thrice, activate it, and for disabling it also has a unique password. So yeah, so when we go over here to manage apps, we also have the option to customize this by rows or grid. I like rows, and I would recommend you to, you know what, you can all remove, or you can all remove these stock apps and add the apps you want. And you know what, the assistive access, as you can see, assistive access do not come with these apps, default apps. It just comes like that, and you can have to like this. And I would recommend you to add Find My to it, because if you add Find My, if someone took your iPhone in assistive access, you still need the access for Find My. So I would recommend you to do that. And we have other apps. So every apps are compatible. And as I mentioned, WhatsApp, even I allow Face ID, as you can see, it's allowed, but it does not work. And yeah, well, that's it. So you have to add your apps, and you have things like here can set up wallpaper. I just have a blank wallpaper setup. You can add volume and etc, show battery level, and you can set up Siri. When we go to passcode settings, we can literally change it. Of course, we can change the unique password as I mentioned. So it's very good for using for productivity, or you just want to stay out of your phone and you do not want to get distracted. It's good. And this has been it. My name is Rayan, and you were watching Asokor. Peace.